Welcome to All Round Plumbing in Worcester. We're a well-established company with many years' experience in plumbing and central heating installations for domestic clients. Our experienced team of engineers are all gas safe registered, and our services include boiler installation, complete central heating and boiler upgrades, complete bathroom installation, general plumbing, emergency work, appliance installation including gas cooker, gas fires, water heaters and much more. At All Round Plumbing, we pride ourselves on our attention to detail, quality of service and value for money that we provide to all our customers. Thanks for watching. For more information, please call us on 07811 879 012.